Hey guys, here once again. So, I hope you'll like this video because it's about someone very special. I got a special treat tonight. Oh my gosh. It's still the Monday that I'm not a sleeper. But anyways, just a minute. Hey! Hey, come back here! Sorry guys, he doesn't want to come over here. Bye! Give it! Give it! Okay. This is his new toy. Gosh, he loves it so much. Watch. Go get it. He will bring it back. Come on. See, I told you. He'd bring it right back. He brought it right back. Like, he's so fantastic. Anyways, I also got him these. He missed it. He went like doing. It was so cute. Gosh, it's so funny. Bye. Till next time.